want to hop on here and show you guys this journal. I started it a long time ago. I think I have a video where I was showing it a little bit. This one is one that is done in elastics, and these pages are removable. And I've decided it's finally time to take it out and revisit it and finish it so that I can raffle it off in July. Rockin' Robin's Facebook page is having, I'm going to be having a raffle on her page, and this is what I've decided I'm going to raffle off. So if you want a chance to win this in a raffle, then be sure to go to her group and sign up for the raffle in July. I have all kinds of hidden paper clips that I will be incorporating, some of them, different tags. I just made this that I got a tutorial on for her on her Facebook yesterday. I'm going to be including this inside the journal. I am going to be putting one of these books, or maybe two of them, in with the journal, whoever wins the journal. I'm going to be adding all kinds of fun ephemera and stuff throughout this journal, some pockets, some tags, some hidden paper clips, all these things. But I did get this kit just finished, and I'm going to be posting it soon to my Etsy shop and my Ko-Fi shop. So I just wanted to share it with you because I'm going to be taking some of this and putting it in that journal as well. And I wanted to share it so that if any of you are interested in purchasing, this is a printable kit that's going to be in there. And I just want to show that to you. So these are belly bands. These are long ones. So 11 by 5.5 by 8 inches. And then there are tags and ephemera, little bookmarks or tags, some more ephemera, some tags that you can be fussy cut out and put in your journals, some more ephemera to fussy cut and put in your, using your journals and in your crafting. Some more belly bands. These are fatter and shorter. A background page that you can cut out however you. I printed this one on cardstock so I can use it with tags or hidden paper clips or whatever I decide to use it for, but it's just matching to all the colors. And this one, the kit is called Lavenders and Bumblebees, or Lavender and Bees. This is more ephemera to fussy cut. More ephemera. These two pages are very similar but slightly different in size and in what is included in each page. Then we have some pockets and a tag, and some more pockets and some more tags, and then a background page, another background page, and another background page. And they're all slightly different. Not any of them are the same. They're slightly different in hues of color and the pattern that is on there. So you can see the difference there. And then I took the background page and put it on regular paper as well. These have nothing printed on the back. Some of these I did print on both sides. So this one I printed that and that on the back. Now these should print for you if you have a printer that will print without borders. These should print without a border. My printer, I haven't been able to figure out how to do that, but you should be able to get a borderless print if you know how to do that with this kit. And then there's this one, the journal page, and this one, oh, that's another background page, and a journal page. and the background page. So that's it on the kit. I will be linking this in my comments, or not my comments, my description below. And I will also link Robin's Facebook group and my Facebook group. I would love for people to start joining my Facebook group and being more creative with me. I'm trying to build that group up, and I'm having a hard time getting the word out. So if you would like to join my Facebook group, I would love to have you, and I will put all the links down below in the description. And I look forward to crafting along with you on this bee journal until July, when it goes up for a raffle. All right, I will see you later. Bye-bye.